Good morning. Today we are going to discuss architecture of 8255. Topics to be discussed: programmable peripheral interface, pin diagram of 8255, architecture of 8255, different modes of 8255. Let's move on to next slide. Let us discuss what is meant by programmable peripheral interface. 8255 is also called as PPI. It is a general purpose programmable I/O device designed to interface the CPU with its outside world such as ADC, DAC, keyboard, etc. ADC means analog to digital converter, DAC means digital to analog converter. We can program it according to the given condition. It can be used with almost any microprocessor. What we have seen here, what is meant by programmable peripheral interface, that is 8255, simply called as PPI. Pin diagram of 8255. 8255 having 40 pins. Port A, port B, port C, address lines, data lines, power supply lines are there. There are 40 pins similar to 8085 and 8086. This is also having 40 pins. Schematic diagram for 8255. 8255 have, we know that 40 pins. These pins are categorized like this. Port A having 8 pins, PA0 to PA7. Port B also having 8 pins. Port C is categorized two types: upper port C pins, lower port C pins. Lower port C pins PC0 to PC3. Upper port C pin PC4 to PC7. Similarly, here A0 and A1 two address lines are there. Read and write lines are there. Reset and then data lines D0 to D7 available. Reset pins are there. This is the architecture of 8085. In this architecture, ports, all the three ports are categorized two controls: Group A control and Group B control. Group A control having port A 8 pins, also port C upper pins. Port A 8 pins, PA7 to PA0, that is all the 8 pins are connected to Group A. Similarly, port C having a lower part and upper part. So upper part PC4 to PC7, port C4 to port C7 connected to Group A control. Group B control having port B pins and also port C lower pins, PC0 to PC3 connected to Group B control. All the ports are bidirectional. Data will be flow both the directions. Similarly, data bus buffer is there. Here D0 to D7, 8 pins are there. This data bus also bidirectional. It is connected to the Group A and Group B control. This data bus buffer is connected to read-write control logic. Here read-write address lines A0, A1, reset pins and CS bar pins are connected to this control logic block. Power supply pins +5 and ground is there. This is the block diagram of 8255. All the pins are arranged in this block diagram. Now we are going to discuss different modes of 8255. 8255 having two different modes: BSR mode, IO modes. BSR mode mean bit set reset mode. IO mode are categorized three types: mode 0, mode 1, mode 2. Let us discuss briefly next slide. BSR mode makes use of only port C. Okay, here we involve only port C. Any bit of this port can be set or reset. Okay, so in these modes, both the modes BSR and IO modes, we are going to design a control word, okay, for the operation. it consists of, the control word consists of 8 bits D0 to D7. And D0 is our LSB, D7 is our MSB. This D7 MSB decides which mode, BSR mode or IO mode. D7 0 means it is BSR mode. If D7 our MSB 1 means it is IO mode. Let us discuss BSR mode, bit set reset mode. Okay, D7 0. Next D4, D5, D6, whatever it is not used. Okay, generally 0. D1, D2, D3 bit selection. 00 means bit 0. 001 means bit 1. Likewise, 111 means bit 7. D0 LSB. It is set or reset mode. Okay, we know that BSR means bit set reset mode. So LSB is very important here. LSB 1 means it is a bit set mode. LSB 0 means it is a bit reset mode. So in this control word, D7 decides which type of mode, BSR or IO. LSB decides set or reset. Let's move on to the next slide. IO mode. IO mode, we know that MSB decides IO mode. MSB 1, D7 1 means it is IO mode. D0, D1, D2, group B. Okay, D3, D4, D5 are group A words. Here clear instructions are there. 1 means input, 0 means output. Okay, 0 means mode 0, 1 means mode 1. Control word format. One example here, D7 IO mode, D5 and D6 group A mode selection, 00 means mode 0, 01 means mode 1, 1 means mode 2, 10 also mode 2. Port A control, port C upper, group B control, port B control, lower control, like this. We can write the control word. Any questions? Any suggestions? Thank you.